December 1st, 2020, a DogeCoin token is worth 0.003 cents. I didn't buy any because I was super busy at that point in time. Flash forward, if I would have bought $1,000 worth, it'd be worth $186,000 today. If you clicked on this video, you probably want to buy some Doge. We're going to cover exactly that. Now, the first thing we need to do is install the WeBull cryptocurrency brokerage app on your phone. I provided a link in the description of this video that you can click and set up an account. And I actually give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Now, I've chosen WeBull because it's something I personally use and I can personally vouch for. Now, this is what your homepage will look like, and we're going to want to go ahead and click that center button at the bottom of the page. This will bring you to what would be your portfolio if you had some tokens. And we're going to click on that transfer button to go ahead and deposit some money into the account. So you're brought with these options. Go ahead and click deposit, and it's going to bring you to this prompt asking you how much money you want to transfer from your bank account into the WeBull account. So I've chosen $25 for test, and it will finally present you with this confirmation screen reviewing everything that you've typed in. Now, if you are setting up your WeBull account for the first time, it's going to bring you a prompt asking you to link your bank account. If you already have a WeBull account, it will ask you to relink your bank account. Now it's going to ask you to go ahead and log into your bank using the Plaid app. Now this app is used by a ton of different financial institutions. It's definitely safe. I used it myself, no problems. So what's going to go ahead and do is bring you a prompt asking you to choose your bank and enter in your username and password. Now, once you pass this, it's actually also going to ask you to receive a security code either through text or through phone. So once you choose your selection and go ahead and click continue, it'll send you that code to your phone, again, through text or phone. So you snag that code and you go ahead and type it in to verify your device. And again, this is just like an additional security measure to protect you. At this point, it's going to show you a success, meaning that you successfully linked your bank account. Go ahead, backing out to the WeBull app. We're going to click the transfer to WeBull button again, and it's going to represent us that confirmation page that we've seen before, where it showed the amount, the bank account we're using, etc. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead and click confirm. It's going to submit that transaction, and it's going to transfer those funds into WeBull. Now, these transfers can take up to 5 business days. So in the interim, if you're set up with a margin account with WeBull, they'll front you the money so you can trade right away. Now, backing back to our home page here, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on that quick trade button in the bottom left of the screen. Now, we're going to simply just type in the term Doge, because that's a token that we're going to be buying today. It'll populate in the search, and you click on it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is underneath order type, you want to change that to market. Now, in the amount, you can either choose how many Doge you want to purchase by simply typing in an amount. You can also use the slider that's underneath it there. You can also change it if you click on it to USD, so how many dollars you want to spend on Doge. Once you have that all sorted out, you go ahead and click the buy button that's in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, and it'll actually bring you this prompt asking you to confirm your order to buy your very first Dogecoin. Now, you actually go ahead and get a confirmation text message. It's like a double verification that your transaction went through. Super handy, appreciate that. And if we go into your portfolio, your homepage here, you scroll down, you'll see that you own your very first Dogecoin. Pretty cool. Now, just in case you want to know also how to sell your tokens once they blast up in price, you just simply click on that quick trade button again, and you'll be brought back to this screen. We're going to simply type in Doge in the search bar and then click it from the drop down that we're presented with. Now, we do want to go ahead and again change that order type from limit to market, and then simply select sell instead of buy. And then finally, either enter in the amount or use a slider to choose how much of your Dogecoin you want to sell. So once we have all that sorted out, we'll go ahead to the bottom left of the screen, click that sell button. We'll be presented with an order confirmation, and the transaction to sell your Dogecoin will be submitted and complete. Now again, just a quick reminder, if you do decide to use WeBull, I have a link in the description below, which will get you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Full disclosure, it is a referral link, so I too will be compensated if you click that. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you can stay in the loop on any new content I put out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.